All right, designers, that template you designed might be stunning, but if no one's buying, we need to talk. I once launched a website template inspired by one of my favorite brands, Madewell. It was gorgeous and it had unique layouts, contemporary sans serif fonts. It was perfectly on brand and could have come right out of a Madewell catalog. But weeks went by and nothing. No sales, no action, not even any of my custom clients wanted to use it as a starting point. And so I started to doubt myself. Was my pricing too high? Had I lost my touch? Was the design just not good enough? But here's the truth. The issue wasn't the design. I was just making a few classic mistakes that many talented designers make without even realizing it. So today I want to save you from those same missteps so that your templates actually sell and your audience sees the value that you poured into every single pixel. So let's walk through the 4 most common design mistakes that designers make when they're creating templates and learn how to fix them. First mistake, getting too creative with your design. I know, it hurts a little. Listen, creativity is your superpower, but it can also backfire. If your template is so unique that potential buyers can't see their own brand fitting into it, you're going to scroll right on past and buy a different template. So here's the fix. Design with flexibility in mind. Use neutral placeholder images, create layouts that serve multiple industries, and let your style shine without being overly prescriptive. Second mistake that I see people make all the time is lack of clarity in messaging. A beautiful template means nothing if it confuses the end visitor. If a visitor can't answer these 3 questions right away once they come onto a site, they're probably going to click away. Who are you? What do you do? And if it's a local business like a photographer, an interior designer, brick and mortar, where do you do it? Those need to be clear right from the start when somebody first visits the site, probably in the hero spot. And it's your job as the designer to guide your end clients into what kind of content is going to work well in which spots. Most prospective template buyers don't know exactly what they need to put in all the different spots to make their visitors actually take action, but they're going to know when they see it. And it's your job to guide them through that process with a thoughtful template design. So make sure that you're using clear, direct headlines in key areas like the hero section and add notes and prompts within your template to guide the users who are buying them when they're writing their own content to make the messaging crystal clear. Third mistake I see designers make is no clear call to action. Every page on a site should lead somewhere. No more click here or learn more buttons. Decide on the actions that you want visitors to take on each page and even within the sections of the pages, and make those actions bold and visible and obvious. So think like buttons that say inquire now or see my portfolio and not click here or learn more. Last mistake is overcomplicated navigation. This one is going to kill conversions. If your buyers or their future clients have to hunt for anything, they're probably out. So make sure that your top level navigations are simple, no more than 5 or 6 items, and use clear names like wedding photography or interior design and not vague ones like services. Being more descriptive is going to be helpful for both their visitors to their site as well as for search engines. So here's the thing. Your talent isn't the problem. Your templates are beautiful, and with a few small shifts, they can also be profitable. Designing for conversion doesn't mean watering down your creativity. It means empowering your clients to imagine their brand inside your vision and take action because of it. You're more ready than you think. If you want to learn more about building high converting website templates, we have sold more than 7 figures in website templates, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this in our free class, how to make your first $10,000 selling website templates. I'll link the class below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe to get all the updates about future videos that we release.